So let's do our basics of Photoshop number 2 assignment together. After you downloaded your picture onto your computer, you're gonna go to photopea.com and you're gonna open the file by going to File, Open, and I happen to know that my picture is in the downloads folder right there, in my downloads folder. Okay, everybody's pictures should be in either the downloads folder or in the on the desktop somewhere. Okay, that's the only two possible places it could be. So I found mine. I'm gonna choose that and hit open. Alright, once it's open, you'll see this picture here. Now, as far as making room for yourself and all that, you have to try clicking on those two arrows up top here. Okay, try clicking on those two arrows, this set and this set. That'll change how your window looks. Okay, if you click on those two sets of arrows. Okay, for now I'm collapsing both of them and I just want the layers palette open right there. Alright, so before you do anything else, let's create a new document. Okay, File, New, choose 1080, make the new document 1080, and then the project's the height maybe 720, and choose Create. Leave the color as the background as white and choose Create. Okay, you should have now the start document and then a new project. Okay, you're gonna select, copy the picture, the element of this photograph, and then you're gonna paste it in this one over here. Alright, so let's start with the cutting board. So select the quick selection tool and make sure you're selecting the quick selection tool, and then go up to the brush and click on it. Make sure your hardness is not at 100%. Make sure it's maybe at about 35-40%, and then your brush size, make that about maybe 10 pixels. Let's try 10 pixels. Okay, then click on the up triangle one more time. Click on the up triangle to get out of that. Okay, anywhere up there. So let's click on the cutting board. See, I've clicked on it and it's selected the cutting board. So to zoom in, you're gonna do Control plus. Okay, now you'll have to zoom in to see what you're doing. Okay, now you see how this white space is still selected and I don't want to, so I want to remove that white space. So now I'll hold down the Option key. For you Windows and Chromebook users, you're gonna hold down the Alt key. For Mac users, you're gonna hold down the Option key and then click anywhere inside there, anywhere. And so right now you see how it's deselected that white space. So now the cutting board is selected for sure. Go up to Edit, do Copy. Okay, the shortcut is Control C. Go to the new project and do Control V, and you're gonna paste it in there. Alright, that's done. Now you have that one layer. It's called, let's name that layer the cutting board. CUTT. Click on the layers palette there and just name that layer cutting board. Let's go back to this original layer. Remember, this cutting board is still selected, so you have to deselect it first. Okay, let's bring in the letters next. So hold down your space bar. Your mouse becomes a hand now, right? Your cursor. So you're gonna use the quick selection tool again. Click anywhere in there and you should see, okay, it selected the letters nicely. So go up to File, Edit, go to Edit, do Copy, Command C or Control C, and come back to this new project and do Control V, and there you'll see it right there. So let's just move the lettuce out of the way. Use the move tool and just move it out of the way. And now you can see the lettuce is there. Go ahead and double click layer 1 and name this lettuce. And then hit return. Okay. Let's go back and now select one other thing. So go ahead and do all those and select the vegetables and move them over. Okay. One of the things you'll need to do is to change the color of anything that you see here. Okay, anything. I think I'm going to change the color of my tomato. Okay, so I'm going to select my tomato first. I'll click on there. Make sure I have the right tool, the quick selection tool, and I'll just click on the tomato and let's see, click on there and the tomato is selected, and I'll do Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac. Come over to the new project, do Control V. Okay, so if you want to change the color of the tomato, okay, if you want to change the color of the tomato, this is what I suggest. Actually, it looks like there's 2 tomatoes there, so I'm going to delete one of mine. I made a mistake, so I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'll double click on this and I'll name this layer tomato. Okay, alright.